Just sitting there idling away. Looking good. I just put the new battery in it. Started right up. Took about a kick and a half to get her going. Sounds really good. I just killed it with the kill button very nicely. This is your idle adjustment, the one that goes up at an angle. You may play with that if you want. This is the pilot jet, air jet adjustment. It sets your mixture for low speed and starting. Leave it alone. Please don't adjust it. I've got it adjusted perfectly. I painted it to seal it a little bit. Leave this one alone. You can use this one to adjust the idle speed. Okay, very good. So, sounds great. Starts easy. Nice cold start. We'll see how it goes. Do a test ride. Bye.